Hi guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Texas. So this whole process, I promise, is really fast and easy. We're going to get it done in like 5 minutes. There's a ton of videos out there that are really long and complex. I have no idea what they're doing. This is like so easy if you just follow along with me. So to follow along, click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my computer at the same time that you do it on yours. And we're going to have this whole thing done, like I said, in about 5 minutes. So again, click that link below and let's just get right into it. All right, so it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and you're going to start by clicking Texas. And now you're going to type in your business name. So for me, I do eyelash extensions on the go, like mobile. So I'm going to type that in to see if my name is available. And then we're just going to hit next here. And then what stage are you currently in? You can just select wherever you're at the moment. And now you're just going to click what industry you fall into. So maybe you fall into a couple of different categories, but as you start to type in a letter, you can see like thousands of options come up, and they get really specific. So for me, I do eyelashes. I'm going to type EY, and you can see right here, eyelash extensions. And what is it that you're offering? So you're either selling a physical good or a service. For me, I'm providing a service. But if let's just say I was selling some sort of product too, I could always select this as well. And are you planning to hire employees? So as far as this part goes, just select where you're at the moment. Let's just say, I don't have any employees, right? File my LLC, and then I decide I do want employees. That's totally fine. It's not going to affect or change your LLC filing at all. You won't have to file anything like that. So just again, select where you're at the current moment. Now you're going to type in your zip code. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, I'm on the go. But if I happen to have a website and I was selling products on there, I can click online. And if you happen to have all three, you could select all three too. And then today, just make sure you select LLC so it's highlighted in blue. And I also want you to select EIN. And you can see they offer all these other things, which is really cool. It's kind of like one-stop shop for everything like business related. So maybe you needed a logo made, or maybe you need like a license or a permit for something. You can select any of this. And if you want to go back in later after this video and check these things out, I encourage you to do so. I love that everything is in one spot. And the reason I want us to get our EIN number today is because your EIN number, it's basically like the social security number of your business, right? So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So it's just something really important to have that you're going to need down the line at some point. All right, and it's asking what we've done already. We can just hit skip, and you discover Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and you guys, they're offering a free 12-week coaching program. I love this. I just feel like, first of all, it's free. If I can learn something that helps me make more money in my business, why not, right? But if you don't want this, you can always just hit no thanks. It's really not a big deal, whatever you choose, but I'm going to select it. And now you can just type in your basic information. And create a password. Okay, and again, they're just asking, do you want Taylor Brands to help you open your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to handle it yourself, you can do that through the IRS website. The only thing is, like, you can only file it Monday through Friday. Weekends, they don't allow you to file it online. And for me personally, I just feel like the IRS website is a little like overwhelming and confusing to navigate. And it's just like one more thing I have to add to my to-do list. And if you're running a business and you're busy, we don't want extra things on the to-do list, right? So for $99, Taylor Brands can file your EIN number for you. For me, completely worth it. So I'm going to select help me get my EIN. And you guys, real quick, I just want you to look at your screen at the top. You can see we're like 50% done. We're almost halfway done, and it's been like only a few minutes. So let's just keep going. So Now it's asking as far as a registered agent. So don't be intimidated by this. A registered agent is basically who's going to be receiving your mail for your business. So if you live in the state of Texas and you're opening your LLC in Texas, you are more than likely your own registered agent. Now, a situation where you might not be your own registered agent is if you live in some other state and you're opening your LLC in Texas, then you may need to appoint someone that lives in the state, or if your accountant tells you something different. But like I said, you are more than likely your own registered agent, and we don't need to pay anything extra here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, you'll be charged a bunch of fines, you have to refile it, and it's just a whole mess and a pain and more money, right? So that's what we want to avoid. So make sure that every single year you renew it. Now, if you're worried that you might forget or you're busy, you have a lot going on, Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. So it's something to consider if you don't want that extra hassle. For me, I'm going to try to save some money, so I will handle the compliance on my own. And a branding toolkit, I'm just going to click no for this. And do you want your LLC expedited to you in 2 days? For me, $49, it's worth it for me. I want my LLC as soon as possible. But if you have a little bit of time to wait, you can click this 2-week option. There's no extra charge. Also a good option. It's just up to you. I'm going to click 2 days. And operating agreement, you don't need to worry about that. So I'll figure it out myself. Formation kit, I'm going to click no. And this is basically a service that Taylor Brands offers if you're interested. I definitely think it's something really good to consider if you're serious about growing your business, or maybe your business is growing really fast. They basically can get you on track with all of your finances and bookkeeping and invoices, all of that good stuff. Let's just say you don't really have a system set up yet and you don't know where all the money's going. This is the reason we have businesses, right? Is to make the most out of our money and make the most that we possibly can. So they give you a free trial if you want to try it out, and then they tell you the price at the end. I really don't know the price. But if you have a big business and you want to get organized, highly, highly recommend checking into it. For me, right now, my business is really small, so I'm going to manage my own books and invoices. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, for today, we're just doing LLC and EIN, so we don't really need to pay anything extra. You can check these out and see what they offer, but we're just going to select this light plan here. Okay, and now it's going to give you a breakdown of what we're paying for today. So this state filing fee in Texas is $309, and that's just the mandated state filing fee. The business coaching program is free, and we're paying that $49 for the 2-day expedited filing. So you can see this is not highlighted, so don't gotta pay that. So this is our grand total for today. After your LLC is filed, then they will charge you for your EIN, so that charge will come through a little later on. Okay, so now you're gonna enter your credit card information. After that, it's gonna ask some basic info like name, address, stuff like that. But you guys, that's it. We have just filed for your LLC and EIN number, and you can see how fast and easy that was. I hope this made sense for you, and you can see it's not super stressful like they make you think that it is. But if you do have questions about it, feel free to comment below. I'm more than happy to talk to you guys, to answer any of your questions. But yeah, that's it. So I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.